The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, establishes standards and codes related to fire safety. With respect to fire alarm systems and central station monitoring, the NFPA does not dictate specific types of facilities or occupancies that universally require central station monitoring for installed fire alarm systems. Requirements for central station monitoring are often found in other codes, standards, and local jurisdictions. Firstly, the NFPA 72 National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code provides comprehensive guidelines for the application, installation, performance, and inspection, testing, and maintenance of fire alarm and signaling systems. While NFPA 72 outlines the requirements for various types of signaling systems, including central station service, it doesn't mandate which specific occupancies require central station monitoring. Instead, it sets the performance criteria for these systems. Secondly, building codes, such as those published by the International Code Council or ICC, often incorporate or reference NFPA standards. Building codes may specify when central station monitoring is required based on the occupancy classification, size, or other factors related to the building. These codes are adopted and enforced by local jurisdictions. Thirdly, local jurisdictions, including cities, counties, and states, can adopt their own fire safety regulations and codes. These local codes may impose additional requirements for central station monitoring based on local needs and risk assessments. It's crucial to consult local authorities to determine the specific requirements in a given area. Fourthly, insurance companies may also have requirements for central station monitoring as a condition of coverage. These requirements can vary depending on the type of insurance policy and the specific risks associated with the insured property. Fifthly, the decision to require central station monitoring is often based on a risk assessment that considers factors such as the occupancy type, building size, fire hazards, and potential impact on life safety. High-risk occupancies, such as hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and high-rise buildings, may be more likely to require central station monitoring. Sixthly, understanding the different types of fire alarm systems is also important. There are several types of fire alarm systems, including local alarm systems, central station systems, remote station systems, and proprietary systems. Central station systems provide the highest level of monitoring and response because they are supervised by a UL-listed central station that is staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The central station receives alarm signals and dispatches the fire department or other emergency responders. Seventhly, when designing a fire alarm system, it's important to consider the specific requirements of the applicable codes and standards, as well as the needs of the building owner and occupants. A qualified fire protection engineer or fire alarm system designer can help ensure that the system meets all applicable requirements. Eighthly, the NFPA 101 Life Safety Code is another relevant standard. While it doesn't directly mandate central station monitoring, it addresses life safety requirements for various occupancies, which may indirectly influence the need for central station monitoring. For example, certain occupancy classifications in NFPA 101 may require automatic fire detection systems, which could then lead to a requirement for central station monitoring based on other codes or local regulations. Ninthly, central station monitoring typically involves a contract with a central station company that provides monitoring services. The central station company is responsible for receiving alarm signals, verifying the alarm, and dispatching the appropriate emergency responders. The central station company must meet certain standards and be listed by a nationally recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories or UL. Tenthly, the cost of central station monitoring can vary depending on the size and complexity of the fire alarm system, as well as the level of service provided by the central station company. Building owners should carefully consider the cost-benefit of central station monitoring when making decisions about fire safety. In summary, the NFPA itself does not dictate which specific facilities or occupancies require central station monitoring for fire alarm systems. Instead, these requirements are typically found in building codes, local regulations, and insurance policies. It is essential to consult with local authorities and qualified fire protection professionals to determine the specific requirements for a given building or occupancy. The NFPA provides the foundational standards, like NFPA 72 and NFPA 101, that are then adopted and enforced at other levels. Remember that fire safety is a critical aspect of building design and operation, and it is essential to comply with all applicable codes and standards to protect lives and property. Understanding the roles of different organizations and codes is key to ensuring comprehensive fire protection.